Hey guys, welcome to Battle for Square 5.
We've got a total of 5 votes. That's the most ever. Now, let's get to the elimination. Today's prizes will be Springtrap plush toys. The people safe are square, 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 and square.
It's down to square and square. Are you guys scared? I mean, no, not really. Just for that, you're both eliminated. Today's challenge is to sound the most like Square from the hit show Battle for Square. Let us begin. Okay, I got this. Hi, I'm Square from Battle for Square. That was pretty good. 5 out of 10. Now let's see the other team because I didn't get too lazy.
I'm a square.
That was so beautiful. I'm crying. 10 out of 10. Vote in the comments with the letter in square bracket for who you want to be eliminated.